ready for the prize drawing? I printed out all 45 pages of comments. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut out each person so that I make sure, because there was so many comments, I make sure every comment gets in the bowl. And exactly at midnight, I will pick 11 winners. Hi guys, Happy New Year's. So it's time to get rid of 2020, and by doing so, let's do the holiday giveaway. I had a lot of responses, so the easiest way for me to do this is I just printed out everybody's comment, because when you comment you get a drawing for it, and then I just cut them up and I put them into a box. So here is all the responses. Now I have 11 people. I have 11 to give out today, so there's There was a couple of hundred that I cut up, and I did it as close to New Year's Eve as I could. So I'm turning my head away, and there's 11 prizes to give away. I'm not going to specifically give a prize to a person. I'm going to draw 11 winners because some of the prizes have to stay within the United States and some can go outside the United States. Since I didn't want to make this all for just the United States because of shipping, I'm going to just, when I get your address, then I'll just say, oh, you can have this prize or this prize. Would make it easier. Now, I'm not responsible for giving away the prizes. You have to send me your address, and I'm going to send your address to my sponsors. So I'm not going to have you tracking. My sponsors will have all of that information, and you'll deal privately with them. So let's get on with this. Just mix it up one more time. And stick my hand way in there, and we got one. Okay, there's 11 of them. So the first one... No way! Chispa! She's a friend of mine. Chispa, you won the first prize. And I think I know what you're going to want. Okay, so this is Chispa Speaks. And I've known her for several years. I'm very happy. Okay, let's see. Okay. Nikki Fetz. Okay, you recognize you? You are number 2. Get in there. Number 3, Rochelle Mailhot. Okay. That's number 3. Congratulations. Number 4. Pick me, pick me, pick me. I picked you. I picked you. Kelly Handelsman. I remember actually cutting this one up and putting it in the box. And I did say to myself it would be funny if I picked her. So that's 4. Kimberly Hellismans. Is that you, Kimberly? That's 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do again. Night got 1, 2, 3. Only a day ago. Okay, so Nika, 1, 2, 3. Cindy, Miss Cindy Thorin, come on down. I know her too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, still got plenty to go. I hope everybody had a good New Year's Eve. Monica Steichen. And she's a beginner. Okay. And congratulations. Bonnie Mullivany. I know Bonnie too. What is this? What do I just know my subs? That's what it seems like. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 more. Get on the bottom. this time. Misty Moma. I'm sorry. I'm blind as a bat. And she too is new. Yay. You recognize yourself? You're on YouTube, Misty. Okay, I think we have one more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, one last lucky person. Let me get it from the bottom. Okay. Nicole Brisbois. I think I know Nicole too. Oh, hello. I would like to win the diamond painting. You know what? That could be arranged. They're a lot of fun. I love them. Congratulations to all the winners. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Congratulations and a happy new year. Oh, he's sound asleep in the bed. Shh. Now I gotta put him in his cage. Ming. Ming. You gotta get up. I'm on lazy bones. He's gonna scrunch himself up. He don't want to get up. Ming. Baby. Come on. Gotta go back to your cage. It's late. Come on. I know you're up. Stop playing. You're playing possum. Ming. Wake up. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on, Cookie. You could do it. Get up. I know you're comfy. He fell asleep in 2 minutes as soon as I put him down. Dad, wake up. Come on, Mingling. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, you're on camera. You're not a happy boy. Let's go. Okay. Now he's like, Ma, I don't want to get up. Okay, well, I have to go lift you.